Hi everyone, welcome back to another tutorial of the machine learning. And in this tutorial, we will learn what are the types of the variables in the machine learning. So, without wasting time, let's move forward. So, these are the types of the variables in the machine learning. The first one is the numerical, the second one is the categorical, the third one is the date and time, and the last one is the mixed data type. Just like in Python, we have the data types of the variables, but in machine learning, these are different. So the first one is numerical data type. In the machine learning, numerical data type refers to data that is represented by numbers and is quantitative in nature. Suppose you are building a machine learning model to predict the price of houses based on several features, some of which might be numerical. For example, house size in square feet, continuous numerical data type. Why it is continuous? Because it will be in decimals or maybe not. And the second one is number of bedrooms, discrete numerical data, like we have 2, 3 or 4 bedrooms, but we never have 2.5 bedrooms. Like the other thing is house age in years, it's a discrete numerical data type. So these are the categories of the numerical data type. Numerical data type are typically classified into two categories. The first one is discrete, and the second one is continuous. So first one is discrete. This type of numerical data can only take specific values, often integers, and represent countable quantities. For example, number of students in a class, age in years, or the number of the cars in a parking lot. The second one is continuous data. Continuous data can take any value within a range and represent measurable quantities. For example, height, weight, temperature, or time. So the second one is categorical data type, which is a data type of the machine learning. In machine learning, categorical data refers to data that represents distinct groups or categories rather than numerical values. Suppose you are building a machine learning model to predict customer churn for a telecommunications company, and you have the following features: gender, customer satisfaction, and a subscription plan. In gender, nominal data, categorical data, male, female, non-binary. In customer satisfaction, ordinal categorical data like low, medium, high. And the third one is subscription plan, nominal data, categorical data, basic, premium, deluxe. So we also have categories of categorical data type. The first one is nominal data, the second one is ordinal data. In nominal data has categories without any specific order or ranking. For example, color of car, red, blue, green. We can also say red, blue, green, red. Types of fruits: apple, banana, orange. Or we can also say that apple, orange, and banana. Or gender: male, female, non-binary, male, female. In nominal data we can change the order of our data, but in ordinal data has categories that follows a specific order or ranking by the difference between categories. For example, education level: high school, bachelor's, then masters, and then PhD. It is a ordinal data. Customer satisfaction, for example, poor, average, good, excellent, and mind blowing. And these are the ordinal data. The last one, data type for the machine learning is date and type, and the last one is mixed data type. So in machine learning, date and time data represents temporal data such as dates, timestamps, or durations. These data types are crucial in time series analysis, trend prediction, or scenarios where understanding the timing or the sequence of events is important. For example, date of birth, transaction stamp, event duration. These are the examples of the date and time data type in machine learning. The last one is the mixed data. Mixed data refers to data set that contain both numerical and categorical data types and potentially other types like text. Mixed data requires careful handling since the different types may need to be processed differently for a machine learning model to work properly. Example of the mixed data: consider a dataset for a car rental services, and we will have in our data like car age in years, it is a numerical data. Car type: SUV, sedan, hatchback, it is a categorical data. Rental date and time, it is a date and time data. And the last one is rental price, it is a numerical data. So in the mixed data we will have the or maybe all or maybe not data types of the machine learning. So these are the data types that we use in the machine learning. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching.